Hello guys and welcome back to Gadget Grasp 101 channel. Today we are going to be learning how to fix Facebook password incorrect problem. If you are experiencing issue with the incorrect password problem while trying to log into Facebook on your phone, here is a step-by-step tutorial to help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Verify the password. Double check that you are entering the correct password for your Facebook account. Ensure that caps lock is off and that you are using the right combination of uppercase and lowercase letters. Reset password if you are sure that you have forgotten your password. Are unsure, use the forget password option on the login screen to initiate the password reset process. Follow the instruction provided to reset your password. Confirm that you are using the correct email address or phone number associated with your Facebook account. Update the Facebook app. For that, open the Google Play Store and search for Facebook. If any update option is available, tap on update option. Ensure that your Facebook app is up to date. After that, clear app cache. For that, open the phone setting, scroll down, you can see here apps, tap on it and tap on manage apps and search for Facebook. In app info of Facebook, you can see here storage, tap on it. In the bottom you can see here clear data, tap on it. From pop-up, tap on clear cache. Uninstall the Facebook app from your device and go to the Google Play Store or App Store, download and reinstall the latest version of the Facebook app. Contact Facebook support if none of the above solution or consider reaching out to Facebook support for assistance. You can often find help through the app setting or the official Facebook help center. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe this channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.